Formatting data using color is important because the variations in the data can easily be traced using color. In this video, we will discuss about formatting data automatically using conditions or conditional formatting. As the name suggests, conditional formatting is formatting or highlighting a cell or range of cells by cell color or font color based on given conditions. Excel has wide range of conditional formatting. Welcome to ASPC Excel Guides. Conditional formatting is located in Style group in Home tab. To apply conditional formatting, you need to select a cell or range of cells. Let's suppose we need to find out the cell or cells where employee Smith is showing. Therefore, select the range of employee name column. You can use shortcut Control plus Shift plus down arrow to select the entire column with data. Now under Home tab, go to Style group and you can notice the conditional formatting button. Click this button. You will get a list of options. Highlight cell rules, top or bottom rules, data bars, color scales, etc. Let us understand one by one. The first option is highlight cell rules. If you stay in this option for a while, you will notice this option expands to greater than, less than, between, equal to, and few more. We need to highlight the employee Smith in this table. It is a text data type, so we will move to equal to option. Click here. Type Smith in the text box, or you can select the cell containing data. In the next text box, if you click on the drop down list, you will get few inbuilt color options and custom format option. For now, we will select light red fill with dark red text. Click OK. You can note the cell containing Smith is colored in red with dark red text color. To remove the formatting, click the conditional formatting button. Go to the second last option, which is clear rules, and it has two sub options: clear rules from the selected cells and clear rules from entire sheet. Click as per your need. As this data is selected, I will choose the first option. The second option will remove all the conditional formatting from the sheet. Now, please note one thing: clearing the conditional formatting will not remove any non-conditional formatting. It will remove only conditional formatting. If you go to the conditional formatting and select the first option, you can notice few more options are available. You can use all the options in detail for practice. These are very easy option, but the very useful one is duplicate value. Let's understand how this works. Select column E, product 1. Go to conditional formatting. Highlight cell rules, then choose the second last option, duplicate values. You will get a small window with two text boxes. The first is showing duplicate, but if you click on this drop down, you will get another option, unique. So from this option, we can get the duplicate as well as unique values. The next text box is formatting option box. Select any color combination as per your choice and click OK. I have selected the duplicate values and selected the first option. Now the duplicate values are highlighting. The next option in conditional formatting is top and bottom rules. You can easily do this. If you select the top 10 items, it will highlight the top 10 items. The next option is data bars. Select the F column, or you can select the range only. Click conditional formatting, select the data bars. You can select any color of bars from here. Excel will automatically show the color range as per the data value. Let's do some changes in the column to view the effect. I am selecting this cell. Change it to 100. the cell is filled with this color. Type 0 in this cell, its color is gone. Now type -45. The whole color shifts to right, giving space for the red color, which is negative. Similarly, you can use color scales. You can choose icon sets. I will show you in another video how to use icon sets and how to use formulas in the conditional formatting. Please like and subscribe to this channel to get more updated videos through notification. Please remember, if you change the cell value or cell content, the color will also change as per the conditional formatting. Let me show you another interesting thing. I will color product 3 all data by yellow. And now I will apply conditional formatting in such a way that all the values above 5000 will be red. Let's do it. The color is changed as per my requirement. Now, if I remove the conditional formatting from clear rules and selected cells, the previous color is back. Please remember, if you remove the conditional formatting, the original cell color will appear again. I hope you have understood the basics of conditional formatting. In another video, I will show you how you can customize this as per your need. Please like and click the subscribe button to get new free video notification in Excel. Thank you for your interest.